hungry for some Egyptian breakfast. Alexandrian breakfast, maybe. I'm on the road trip right now. I went to Siwa from Cairo, and now I am on my way back. But when I was on my way to Siwa and stopped in Alexandria, I told you guys I was going to get breakfast. And then I went to Alban Suestra, which turns out to be more of like a everything smothered in cheese restaurant, not exactly breakfast. So, I mean, they have good food. People go there for breakfast, but it's not true Egyptian breakfast. So, I have been recommended many places, and I have chosen one to go visit. The recommendations have been coming from all over, but a lot of Alexandrians specifically have said that this place is great. So, I'm on the motorcycle. I'm not going to record the drive there though. Honestly, it is a very short drive, so let's stop wasting time. I'm hungry. Let's go eat. Yalla bina. Okay, I have arrived. That was like 2 blocks away to Mohamed Ahmed, which sounds very similar to the Hawashi place I went to, Mohamed Hamid, but Mohamed Ahmed. Here it is. They're filming too. They just drove by filming the place with their phone out the window. I don't want to walk in and film though because there's a few people in there eating. So I'm gonna go inside and then start the camera if they're okay with me filming it. Yalla. You have to be respectful when you go into a place and be aware that not everyone wants to be on camera. But here, no one is behind me, and I have ordered Alexandrian food. For those of you that don't know, maybe I should explain that Egyptian breakfast is usually like fool and falafel. And fool is like mashed fava beans, a little bit mashed, and with some maybe like garlic, a little oil, but that's pretty much it. It's pretty standard. Everyone eats it for breakfast. But Alexandrian style has something on it, which I don't even know. We're gonna find out. And then I've also ordered falafel, which they call falafel in Alexandria. If you go to Cairo, they say tamiya, but yeah, in Alexandria, it's falafel. So they have a lot of things on their menu though. This looked good. He told me it was pastrami, I don't know. But I just wanted like a very classic Egyptian dish. Now, people told me to come here. They didn't exactly tell me what I should get, so if I should have gotten something different. But I'm getting very classic. And I asked the waiter, asked him what he recommended, and he said the Alexandrian fool. So at least for sure we're getting that right. I'm quite confident. Yeah, but there's many things on this menu. You can get eggs, like a little omelet. You can get fries. A lot of Egyptian. I made a video about Egyptian breakfast in Cairo, but I mean it'd be like fries, eggs, full falafel, of course, bread, maybe a little salad. So it depends on how big you're having it, but like standard full falafel always. So. بصورة جدا. Well, شكرا. حلو. واو كبير. Oh my god. شكرا جدا. ممكن شيء. Look at this. شكرا جدا. ممكن شيء. عروسة؟ عندك عروسة؟ عندك شيء عروسة؟ لبتن وعروسة كمان؟ ايه عروسة؟ شكرا. Okay, look, I just ordered a tea. Arusa tea is very good, by the way. Oh, this is huge. I was not expecting it to be this big, and I'm very curious to find out what that mystery sauce is. Is that cheese? Is it cream? We have a plate of falafel, and then we have bread as well. Let me just get up and film my table. Yes. Okay, so let's try this. The cameras are. Yeah. Look at this. There, that's a better way to try to take a thumbnail. Okay, let's try this. Hey, I don't know. Tahina? I think it's tahina. I wasn't expecting that. I just squeezed a bunch of lemon on it. I'm sorry if you can't see what I'm doing here. I have to mix it up. Look at all that oil. Oh yeah, but I'm supposed to eat it with bread, obviously. I just wanted to try the fajita and then I'm still holding the fork. This little shami bread. So, I'm gonna do it like this. Oh, I'm missing completely. It's so oily. I didn't get anything. Let's try again. It's not as easy to eat and film. I'm like, what am I doing? Really good. Let's try the falafel. See, it's green inside. So they make falafel with fava beans here in Egypt. In a lot of other countries that eat falafel, they make it with chickpeas. But because they're making it with this and then they put a lot of different herbs and spices, it has this green color. Very delicious. Standard breakfast in Egypt. Very good here. كشري أنا ساكنة في القاهرة. I went to Abu Tariq. Oh, what's up? Are you guys from Alexandria? Okay, I love your city. It is beautiful. شكرا شكرا. جميلة جدا. Too much food to try. I'm like, I can't. People are like, I have YouTube, and people are leaving comments. You need to go here, 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 and I'm like, I only have so much time. But yeah, this place I heard was really good. America, Minnesota. No, it's cold. It's boring. Yeah, I'm happy living in Egypt. Minneapolis, yeah. How did you know that? No one knows it. That's when I left America. Okay. Yeah, nothing to see. Nice to meet you guys. Yeah. Thank you so much. I will. Have a good day. Bye. That was nice. He started talking to me. I'm having issues picking it up with the bread. Am I doing something wrong? It's very oily. I need to like scoop it up almost. You see what I'm doing? I'm not doing this right. because there's less items in the one in Cairo, it's just like thick bean paste and it's pretty easy to grab. I'm using a fork. I'm not Egyptian, you know? No one's in here. Let me show you the room. Yeah, so just a humble little restaurant with amazing, delicious Alexandrian style breakfast. I revert to a fork. It wasn't working. I was really hungry. I wasn't even gonna get breakfast, actually. My plan was not to do that last night, but I woke up and like, I am very hungry. Perfect opportunity to try this. I've also been recommended another place called Zahul. Something like that. But this place was closer and had more reviews online. Shukran. Now I have my Arusa tea. This tea is amazing, by the way. Classic Egyptian. Can't believe I've never mentioned it before. Lipton is very popular to drink, but Arusa is... This is English breakfast, Ada. Oh, sad. I guess something was lost in translation. So, yeah, I just wanted to mention how many... Not like reviews matter, because I go into a lot of places that have no reviews and it's good. But this place has 14,492 reviews. Can you see that? It's a lot. And it's well rated, so... Yes. I wonder what the total's gonna come to. It's a mystery to both you and me. Actually, this is too much food for just me. So that is the restaurant. I am gonna keep eating again, like always, off camera. But I will just say Alexandria is a food paradise. They have the best food in all of Egypt. Don't kill me, Cairo. I'm just saying. They have so much different options here. The patisseries are amazing. The kebda is amazing. I personally order a lot of things escandroni when I'm in Cairo. Like I'll get like kebda escandroni or whatever I can possibly get Alexandrian style. I do because I like the added flavors and the variety is just a little bit more. So yeah. But all over Egypt obviously has good food. Alexandria, you could eat, and a lot of Egyptians do come here and just eat a lot. My Arabic teacher was like, you have to go here, you have to eat this, you have to eat that, and this is what I've been hearing the moment since I arrived in Alexandria. It's just a lot of food recommendations. A few other things like ancient sites and Montaza Palace, but food is what I'm excited about. Food is where it's at for me. So cheers to that. Okay. My beans are starting to get cold, so I'm just gonna eat now. But stay tuned for what's coming next. I'm not leaving Alexandria yet, and I am gonna do a little bit more filming before I head back to Cairo. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Give it a big like if you did. And I will catch you on the next one. Ma salama. I just want to say that I've made myself a mini sandwich with the fool. That is so good. That tahina with the salad, the lemon, the oil is perfect. I think I'm gonna start doing that myself in Cairo when I'm back. Because you can just order the food, dump some oil on it, order a salad, have tahina, and just mix it all together yourself. It's not gonna be the same as this, obviously, but it's still gonna mimic. I can still try. Oh. That henna with shifa.